How do you take effective notes during engineering lectures? Are you struggling to keep up with the fast pace of engineering lectures? You are not alone. Many students find it challenging to capture all the important information. Let's break down some effective strategies to help you take better notes during those crucial classes. First, choosing the right note-taking method is essential. The Cornell Method is a popular choice among engineering students. It divides your page into sections, allowing you to write your lecture notes in the main area. After class, you can fill in the left column with key points or questions and summarize the lecture at the bottom. This structure helps you focus on the main ideas and makes reviewing easier later. Another option is the outlining method. This method works well for hierarchical topics, where you can list main ideas with indented subpoints. If you prefer a visual approach, the mapping method connects related concepts, which is great for understanding how different engineering principles relate to one another. The charting method organizes information in tables, making it easier to compare formulas or processes. Lastly, the sentence method captures ideas quickly by writing each one on a new line, which is useful for fast-paced lectures. During the lecture, focus on key concepts and formulas instead of trying to write everything down. Listen actively and identify the most important ideas, definitions, and examples. Use abbreviations and symbols to keep up with the pace. For instance, you might use the delta symbol for change or arrows to indicate relationships between concepts. Highlight or underline critical points to make them stand out for later review. After the lecture, take a moment to review and summarize your notes. If you use the Cornell method, fill in the left column with key points or potential exam topics. Write a brief summary of the main ideas in your own words. This step reinforces what you learned and helps with memory retention. If there are any unclear points, consult textbooks or online resources to clarify them. Active recall is another effective strategy. Test yourself by reciting key facts or explaining concepts without looking at your notes. This practice strengthens long-term retention. Reflect on how the lecture material connects to previous topics or other courses to deepen your understanding. Regular review is vital too. Spend about 10 minutes each week going over your notes. This helps prevent cramming before exams and solidifies your knowledge. Organize your notes for easy navigation, using tabs or digital folders if you prefer electronic note-taking. Lastly, supplement your notes with additional resources. Engineering often involves complex theories and problem-solving. Complement your lecture notes with textbook readings, educational videos, and practice problems to reinforce your learning. Condense all relevant information into a single, well-organized notebook or digital file for quick reference during exam preparation. By combining structured note-taking methods with active engagement and consistent review, you can effectively capture and retain engineering lecture material. This will make your study sessions more productive and less stressful.